Maddie,
likes to play jacks.
what you doing?
I was thinking, it's fun. You bounce the ball and see how many jacks
Say, Mama.
you can pick up before you catch the ball.
Are you talking? Are you talking? Yeah?
That was great, Ruby.
Yeah, you can't have the camera, you silly girl. What?
He's
What?
a big kid. He's
What?
nearly 7.5. We're gonna play jacks with Roger.
Madeline, what are you trying to do?
Ruby, what if Roger doesn't like to play jacks anymore? Maybe we should have
What
some
you doing?
just in case. That's what I was thinking.
She's like, I don't like the gate. No, you can't get out of there.
Roger would love to play hopscotch.
What? You're not gonna climb on it. No, you're not. Whee!
Cars.
What's that? What are you doing?
Like our hopscotch squares? Of course. Look at all the colors.
What are you doing? Are you tired?
Before Roger gets here, so
Are you
we'll
tired?
be good as he is. Okay, Ruby. Good throw.
Oh yeah? No.